Hello guys, welcome back to Opt for Organic. I hope all of you are safe and sound. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make your own aloe vera day and night cream at home very quickly with all the natural ingredients. Both of these creams are suitable for all skin types and highly recommended by me. So let's begin. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon first. In these recipes, I am going to use freshly extracted aloe vera gel with vitamin C and E. If you don't have freshly extracted aloe vera gel, then you can use any aloe vera gel and then add vitamin C and E separately. Now let's start with the ingredients we will be needing to make this face creams. First one is beeswax. As you can see, I have grated this beeswax from the palette. Beeswax is very important as it binds the water part and oil part together. Make sure you are using the original beeswax. The link for each ingredient used in this video are mentioned in the description box. Second one is the oil part. For day cream, I am using jojoba oil. It has very light texture and it gets easily absorbed into our skin, making it an ideal option for the day cream. Other lighter options for the carrier oils are argan oil, rosehip seed oil, tamanu oil, evening primrose oil and apricot kernel oil. Now for the night cream, I am using almond oil and rosehip seed oil, as these oils are rich in vitamin E and they are super moisturizing. Other options are coconut oil, castor oil, moringa oil, neem oil, avocado oil and extra virgin olive oil. Now comes the water part. For water part, I am using freshly extracted aloe vera gel with vitamin C for the day cream and aloe vera gel with vitamin E for the night cream. As a thickener, I am using arrowroot powder in my day cream. If you don't have arrowroot powder, then you can also alter it with corn flour. In my night cream, I am using turmeric powder as it has antiseptic properties and it brightens our skin complexion with regular use. For the fragrance, I am using sandalwood essential oil for my day cream because of its cooling effect. If you don't have it, then you can also use peppermint essential oil instead. For night cream, I am using tea tree essential oil to protect my skin from pimples and other infections. You can also alter it with lavender essential oil if tea tree essential oil is harsh for your skin. As a preservative, I am using grapefruit seed extract as natural preservative. So let's start making. For day cream, take 1 teaspoon beeswax and 1 tablespoon jojoba oil in a glass bowl and melt them by double boiler method. Once completely melted, put off the heat and keep this mixture aside until it cools down a bit. Add 1/4 teaspoon of arrowroot powder and mix in this melted oil part until completely dissolved. Meanwhile, prepare your water batch by adding 1/8 teaspoon of vitamin C into 1 tablespoon of freshly extracted aloe vera gel. Now slowly add aloe vera gel to this oil mixture and keep on stirring continuously. Stir until the consistency becomes creamy and there are no lumps left. In the end, add 10 to 12 drops of sandalwood essential oil and 10 drops of grapefruit essential oil or grapefruit seed extract. Stir well. Now keep it aside to let it harden. Keep on stirring on every half an hour interval. Once the consistency becomes like a cream, fill it in an empty container. And our aloe vera day cream is ready. This cream is very light and extremely moisturizing for our skin. I have made a small batch because I have used freshly extracted aloe vera gel and I haven't used any preservative. Now, in a similar manner but with different ingredients, let's make a night cream. Do note that if the water part and oil part have different temperatures, then they won't mix properly. Also, if you haven't added the water part yet and the oil part starts solidifying, then also it won't mix properly. In such cases, you can reheat this mixture using double boiler method. Just make sure you do this step before adding any essential oil and preservatives. So that's it for this video. Do let me know if you like these creams. Try making your own batch with your preferred ingredients and do let me know in the comments. You can also send me the pictures of your batches on my Facebook or Instagram page, which are by the same name, Opt for Organic. To know more about why I have chosen these particular ingredients for these face creams and what other options you can consider instead of them, you can refer to my blog on optfororganic.com. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. Do like my video and share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the further updates. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.